Project Management Tricks of the Trade is designed for project managers, team members, project offices, and senior managers that are ready for a firm grasp of specific steps in the project management process. During the class, you will participate in exercises designed to build your skill in project management tools and techniques. You will also learn how to implement them on your projects. You will learn real-world project management tricks of the trade used by thousands of project managers. Learn to translate the international standards for project management into real-world project management techniques and processes and put them to use immediately. Because this course teaches you how to apply international project management best practices, it can be taken as additional preparation for people looking to earn one of the number of internationally recognized project management certifications. This course replaces 4 to 8 classes that other project management training companies recommend. Take a look at the detailed course outline and call or register online today.